Got a great unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing this drone right here. Now, this is not your typical drone. This is from an interesting website. I'm going to show you right up here. TVC Mall. And this is the drone that we're going to be looking at. It's the XKJ K90 Max Brushless GPS drone, AK3 cameras, 5G Wi-Fi, obstacle avoidance, RC Quadcopter. That's right, you can get a drone for relatively pretty cheap. So what we're going to do is we're going to test this out, see if this is actually a pretty good buy by taking it out of the box, and then later on I'll be testing it out, checking out the footage, and we'll see if it's worth the bill. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Comes with the carrying case. Yeah, there it is. There's a case right there, and of course everything is inside the case that you will be using it with. Interesting. Looks like there's a QR code on here for English video and different language. Let's go ahead and unbox. Oops. There goes the manuals. Pick those up because I want to know if there's anything in English. Unfortunately, that is not in English, but let's look at this. Okay. Gonna have to scan that QR code to get that video, to get this up and running. Now, we got accessories in this bag in case you break the wings. Or I shouldn't say in case, when you break the wings at some point in time. It's probably going to happen. This looks like the battery or some kind of compartment. It's got a charger on it. We have the actual unit itself, the K90 Max. Nice size. It's lightweight. It's got that plastic on. I'll take that off in just a bit. And most importantly, I wanted to check out the controller. I'm going to be docking, I assume, a smartphone somewhere, somehow on this. Oh, here we go. Does this pop out? Yeah, there you go. Oh, nice. It's got some buttons in there too. Interesting. Not buttons, sorry. Just highlights. Show you nice up and close. Very cool. Everything you need inside of this box. Carrying case. In terms of charging, I noticed, where was it that I saw that? Oh, it was on here. I saw micro USB. Unfortunately, let's see. Let's take this out. I could have swore I saw a charging port. Oh, there we go. Yeah, micro USB. That's too bad. I like to see USB-C on everything, but for the case and for the price, it does come with a cable. That's okay. So this concludes the unboxing of this K90 quadcopter drone from TVC Mall. Once again, you want to check out the actual review of the footage. I will do that later on, and then we can see just, how it fares as an affordable first drone, I'd say, for a lot of drone operators. Does it fit the bill? We'll find out. Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.